If you've ever spent more time cleaning your pool than actually enjoying it, you already know how much the right robotic pool cleaner can help. The tricky part is that not all robotic pool cleaners are built the same way. Some are better for above-ground pools. Some handle walls and water lines. Others focus on smart navigation, cordless cleaning, or simple plug-and-play use. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best robotic pool cleaners, each one standing out for a different type of pool owner and cleaning need. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these robotic pool cleaners aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Aper Seagull SE. This is the most budget-friendly robotic pool cleaner on our list. If you want a simple pool cleaner that keeps things easy, this one makes a lot of sense. It gives you cordless cleaning, strong suction, and a very beginner-friendly setup. You don't have to deal with hoses, and you don't have to fight with cords. You just turn it on, place it in the pool, and let it start cleaning. And for the category, that's really the appeal here. The Seagull SE gives you a practical robotic cleaner without making pool maintenance feel complicated. It's made for above-ground pools, and especially round pools up to 33 feet in diameter. Now, the cleaning power is solid too. It uses dual-drive motors to move through the pool and collect dirt and debris. Plus, it has 2 independent brushes, which help it give the pool floor a more complete clean instead of just gliding over the surface. You also get over 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge. And when it's time to recharge, it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. That's a pretty useful setup for regular cleaning. And here's what Gene says. This little guy is incredible for the price. Very worth it for a floor cleaning pool vacuum. By the way, another nice touch is the self-parking feature. When the battery gets low, it stops near the edge of the pool. Then you can use the included hook to pull it out without getting wet. So if you want an affordable cordless cleaner, the Seagull SE is an easy pick. Number 6 is the Dolphin Advantage. This is the best plug-and-play robotic pool cleaner on our list. Once it's in the water, it can clean your pool in about 2 hours, which makes it really easy to fit into your normal routine. But it's not just simple, it's also capable. The Dolphin Advantage can climb walls. It doesn't only focus on the pool floor. It helps clean more of the pool surface, which is great for in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length. Now, you also get active scrubbing. That means the brush helps loosen dirt and debris from the pool surface while it moves. So instead of just relying on suction, it gives the pool a more hands-on style of cleaning. And maintenance is simple too. The top-load filter basket is easy to access. You can lift it out, rinse away the debris, and get it ready for the next cleaning cycle. And here's what Michael says. I must say that this pool cleaner is unbelievable. It does everything that is claimed in the description. This machine is incredible. I watched it the first time I placed it in the pool and could not believe the intelligent pattern that it ran while not missing a single spot. So if you want the easiest plug-and-play cleaner, the Dolphin Advantage is a great fit. Number 5 is the Dolphin Proteus DX3. This is the best wall-climbing robotic pool cleaner on our list. This one is built to climb pool walls efficiently. It gives you better coverage across the surfaces that usually need more attention. And that's a big deal for in-ground pools. Dirt and debris don't always stay on the floor. They can collect along the walls too. So having a cleaner that can climb and scrub those areas makes the whole pool feel easier to maintain. Now, the active scrubber brush adds to that. It helps lift dirt from the pool surface while the cleaner moves. So it's doing more than just picking up loose debris. It's helping loosen buildup from the areas it passes over. And even with that extra cleaning ability, the setup stays simple. You still get that Dolphin plug-and-play experience. Just plug it in, place it in the pool, and turn it on. From there, it can clean the pool in about 2 hours. You also get a top-load filter basket, which makes cleanup easier after each run. You can remove the basket from the top, rinse it out, and move on. It keeps the whole process quick and practical. Also, it's ideal for in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length. It just works well for many backyard pool setups. So if you want stronger wall cleaning, the Proteus DX3 is the smart pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the robotic pool cleaners discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Aper Scuba S1. This is the best smart cordless robotic pool cleaner on our list. If you want a cleaner that feels more modern, the Scuba S1 brings a lot to the table. It's cordless, app-supported, and built with smarter navigation. You get a cleaner pool without having to manage a cable around the deck. And for this category, the smart cleaning system is the big reason it stands out. It uses 11 high-precision sensors with enhanced dual-path algorithms. That helps it move through the pool in a more organized way. Its wave-path cleaning pattern also helps reduce unnecessary overlap, so it can focus on covering the pool more efficiently. Another thing you'll like is the coverage. The Scuba S1 is made for wall and waterline cleaning, not just floor cleaning. That gives you a more complete clean across the pool. And because it adapts to the pool layout in real time, it feels more thoughtful than a basic cleaner. Plus, the filtration system is another strong part. It uses a dual-layer setup with a 180-micron standard filter and a replaceable 3-micron ultra-fine filter. This thing can pick up leaves and larger debris while also capturing fine dust, sand, and smaller particles. And then you get the app features. You can choose from 5 cleaning modes, review cleaning logs, and get OTA updates. Plus, the battery lasts up to 180 minutes, which gives it plenty of time for longer cleaning sessions. So if you want a smarter cordless cleaner, the Scuba S1 is the right choice. Number 3 is the Polaris Freedom. This is the most premium cordless robotic pool cleaner on our list. This is the kind of cleaner that makes pool cleaning feel more upgraded right away. The biggest highlight is the fully cordless design. You don't have a cable running across the deck, you don't have to deal with tangles, you just get a cleaner, easier setup for your in-ground pool. And it's made for bigger pools too. It works with in-ground pools up to 50 feet. It's a strong fit for larger backyard setups. The charging setup also feels premium. You get an included easy charge station. So the cleaner has one place to sit, store, and recharge. It fully charges in about 4 hours and can finish a cleaning cycle in 2.5 hours or less. Now, retrieval is easier too. At the end of the cycle, it climbs to the water line. It also releases water quickly as you pull it out. Lifting feels lighter. And you can use the included retrieval hook with a standard pole as well. And you also get iAqualink app control. You can check charging status, choose specialized modes, and get push notifications when the cycle is done. For cleaning, it gives you 4 cleaning modes, including floor, floor walls, and waterline only, and smart cycle. So if you want a premium cordless cleaner, the Polaris Freedom feels like the upgrade pick. Number 2 is the Iper Scuba V3 AI Vision. This is the best AI-powered robotic pool cleaner on our list. This one is all about smarter cleaning. The Scuba V3 AI Vision uses an AI camera to detect over 20 debris types and move directly toward debris instead of just wandering around the pool. And the AI features go beyond just spotting debris. With Cognitive AI Navium mode, it can create autonomous weekly cleaning plans by analyzing your pool size, weather, and cleaning history. Once you activate it, it can keep running on its own schedule. That makes pool care feel a lot more effortless. Then there's the smart waterline parking. After cleaning, the robot returns to the waterline and stays there for 10 minutes. You also get real-time app notifications, so you know when it's ready to retrieve. That's a nice touch when you don't want to fish around for it after every cycle. Now, the wireless charging dock makes it even easier. There's no complicated setup. You just place the cleaner on the dock and it starts charging without exposed connectors. It also gives you a neat storage spot when the cleaner isn't in the pool. And for filtration, it uses a micro mesh multi-layer system with a 180 micron debris filter and an ultra-fine 3 micron layer. So it can catch larger debris, sand, and tiny particles. It's also lightweight at 8.2 kilograms, which makes lifting and handling much easier. So if you want the smartest AI-powered pool cleaner, the Scuba V3 AI Vision is the clear pick. Number 1 is the Dolphin Nautilus CC. This is the best overall robotic pool cleaner on our list. For the best overall pick, the Nautilus CC gives you the kind of balance most people want. It's simple to use, strong at cleaning, easy to maintain, and trusted by a lot of pool owners. Now, the big reason it works as the overall choice is that it gives you a complete cleaning setup without making things complicated. You can use it for above ground and in-ground pools up to 33 feet in length. You just plug it in, place it in the water, and turn it on. From there, it can clean the pool in about 2 hours. That's great for regular maintenance because you don't have to plan your whole day around pool cleaning. And the cleaning performance is strong too. The Nautilus CC can climb walls, so it's not only focused on the pool floor. It helps clean more of the pool surface, which makes the overall result feel more complete. You also get an active scrubber brush. That helps loosen dirt and debris from the surface while the cleaner moves. I mean, you're getting more than basic suction. You're getting actual scrubbing action that helps keep the pool looking fresh. Then maintenance stays easy with the top load filter access. You can remove the basket, rinse it out, and get it ready for the next cleaning cycle without much effort. And with Dolphin's long-standing reputation in robotic pool cleaners, it feels like a dependable choice for everyday pool care. So if you want the best overall robotic pool cleaner, the Nautilus CC is the safest pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect robotic pool cleaner. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each robotic pool cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.